Hi, this is David from Smart World. I'm here to show you our new product, the Carplay Plus. This is not only a wireless car player, and you can find a lot of them in the market, different sizes, different prices, but they only do wireless car player. This is a wireless car player plus because you can also have functionalities like cast or mirroring from your iPhone or your Android. You can also play movies from a USB stick or USB flash drive. So we're going to unbox this product now. So this is the CarPlay Plus. As you can see, the size of the device is relatively small, so you can fit and hide it in your car when connected. And also it comes with of course cables. You will get two cables, USB type A and USB type C. So what is this about? Some of the current models, they have USB type A, so it's compatible with all of them. What you do is you just plug in the device and you will have a USB type A to connect to your current models. But there's new models 2021, especially like Mercedes-Benz and Range Rover. They are coming with USB type C port, so you can plug this device in the USB type C port as well. So compatible with cars with any of those types of ports, and of course you have the user manual will show you how to use the product. It's very easy to use. It's a plug and play product. You would just, once you plug the device, you will see on the screen of your car is going to show a different menu, and from this menu you can select CarPlay, of course, if you want to use as a wireless car player. Also you can select as a phone cast if you want to cast from apps like YouTube or TikTok or any app that you have on your mobile phone, except Netflix or Amazon Prime. Any streaming apps, they won't allow you to cast, but you can cast from any other app, as I said before, YouTube, TikTok, and you can cast while driving, which is the beauty of this. Also you have Bluetooth, where you can connect your mobile phone with Bluetooth. You can connect to an Android or any other type of device or iPhone via Bluetooth to make and receive calls via Bluetooth, of course. And this U-Drive menu will allow you to play media like music and videos from a USB flash drive that you can connect into the CarPlay Plus through the USB port type A. Also, this USB port type A, apart from allowing you to watch movies, will allow you to charge your mobile phone as well. If you don't have any left port in your ports to charge your phone, you can also charge it from here as well. And this menu will take you back to the main screen of your car. So very easy to use, very simple, excellent extra functionalities like mirroring or cast, and also play videos while you drive from USB type A port or flash drive. So extra functionalities you can see we have on the wireless CarPlay Plus. So why buy a normal wireless CarPlay when you can buy the CarPlay Plus with the extra functionalities? And if you have any questions about wireless CarPlay Plus, please contact us on www.smartworldcompany.com.